Casey, from the moment we met, I knew my life was about to change in the most beautiful way. Today, I stand here in awe of the love we built together. Casey, you made me a better man and have pushed me to achieve heights I never thought possible. Through all the sleepless nights, you were my rock and never once doubted my ability to succeed. You have loved me unconditionally since the day I met you. I pledge to be patient, understanding, to never wake you up from a nap, and to always be ready to listen. With you, I've found my home, my confidant, and my greatest love. I love you for who you are now and for who you will become.
To my husband and best friend, I could talk forever about all the things I love about you. In this lifetime or in the next, I know we'll always find each other. I will always try to be your better half because you are definitely mine. I promise to always help shoulder life's challenges and to always be your encourager and your supporter. And I promise to always view your goals and dreams as my own. Becoming your wife today is the greatest title and honor I will ever have. You are my person, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my days loving and cherishing you. I love you with my whole heart yesterday, today, and forever. Gathered here today to celebrate the love and commitment between Connor and Casey, to witness the union of two beautiful hearts, the joining of two families, and the creation of a new chapter in their love story. Connor, you may kiss the bride.
You're like summer in the shade, like a silver.
Casey, today you look absolutely radiant, and I couldn't be happier for you. You always had a way of turning everyday moments into something extraordinary, and I know your marriage to Connor will be no different. To Casey and Connor, may your love story be the stuff of legends, and may every day together be sweeter and funnier than the last. Cheers.
The first time Conrad graced our front door, I guess I interrogated him. I don't think that I did, but we thought he was pretty special. Someone to love Casey as much as you want what I do, and will love you long after we're gone. Cheers to Casey and Conrad.
I'm gonna give you all my love, wildflower.
Connor, you are going to be an amazing husband to Casey. And I know that because you are one of the most genuine, caring people I've ever met. Casey, you make Connor the happiest man in the world, and that can be seen very clearly. Your guys' love is inspiring, and your care for one another should be an example to all.
I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower, give you every minute of every hour. Dancing the wind, you'll hear it whispering. I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower, 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 wildflower.
So the only marital advice I'll give you is the same that my father gave me 36 years ago. Love is a verb, right? It's an action. So wake up every day and decide to love each other and hold on to each other as this wild ride goes forward. All right?
Gonna give you all my love. Wildflower, give you every minute of every hour. Dancing the wind, you'll hear it whispering. I'm gonna give you all my love. Wildflower.
I was going to do a traditional bouquet toss tonight, but nothing about a wedding is ever designated for mom. Mothers designate their entire life, their body, and their soul to their kids. I'm going to be dedicating this bouquet to my beautiful mother. Mom, I would not be who I am today without you. I love you so very much.
I keep dreaming about the good life, the anywhere, anytime drive. I wanna get back there. I keep thinking about the joy rides, the sing-alongs and the flat tires. I wanna get back there. Tell me where you wanna go. The sky is the limit. Should we walk on the moon or go out and get it? Tell me where you wanna go. Should we jump in the ocean? Where you wanna go? Tell me where you wanna go. Do you wanna take the long way, a submarine or a jet plane? It doesn't matter to me, either way's okay. Tell me where you wanna go.